Hey, what is up? It is your boy KSI with Legit ABT. Let me just to fix this up. Okay, and today we will oh my gosh, we will be discussing some anime. Sheesh, I don't even know. Some anime. This is my anime tier list. If you didn't know, feel free to say I like. I liked it earlier, and I don't know how to unlike it, but somebody feel free to put it in the comments below how to do that. But anyways, shoot, I was recording earlier and something happened. So, okay, so Ronnie Kenshin fans are chill. Fist and North Star fans, they're chill. These guys, they just hate it whenever people get pissed off at their animation. Because it's getting worse but it's okay, it's okay. MHA fans, the shipping, not to mention some of them even troll say, bruh, Midoriya 5% one for all has to be at least Ultra Instinct level. You don't even understand. But it's whatever. Naruto fans, they're crazy. They'll kill you for making fun of Sakura. It used to be okay to do that. What happened? Yu-Gi-Oh fans, I'll place them at chill. I'll align it so that way. The closer to this way, the closer to the left they are, the more the less. I don't know. I'll just leave it like this. Each line is its own column. Yu Yu Hakusho fans, they're chill. They're chill. They're chill. I'll just put them on later. Shoot. Sailor Moon fans, they're slightly annoying. The anime has a 50%. 50. It has a 50% filler. Come on. And also, anybody, I don't know. They just seem so childish to me. You feel me? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just chatting. I don't even know. Dragon Ball fans. I wish there was another column, but they're pretty chill. They'll get mad. I'll put them right here. I'm a Dragon Ball fan myself, and I really hate putting it here, but yeah, I don't know. It's just some people just ruin it for the other people, ruin it for others, you know? Shit, I don't even know what I'm saying. But Hunter x Hunter, Hunter x Hunter, gone Frex. No, slightly annoying. I can't. Yeah, the way some people are like, no, Hisoka loves power. He looked at Gon and kill his ass, bro. That's pedophilia. I don't care where you from. That's pedophilia. Kimetsu no Yaiba fans. What about trolls? You know, I'll edit this. Slash. More annoying. Because this anime got trending once on Twitter. And now everybody wants to watch it. It's an okay anime. You're only there for the animation at this point. The story's meh. And that pig-headed guy, probably too. Pig-headed man. Dorito shirt man. What's his name? You know, the one with the orange, yellow shirt with triangles on it. I don't even remember, but it's okay. Dang. Inuyasha has a chill fan base. These older animes just have a normal, relaxed fan base. Same in Bleach. One Piece, I don't know where to put it because the fans could be normal, but a lot of them are actual snowflakes. That's fair. Because as soon as you make fun of the anime for having way too many episodes, have you watched them? No, exactly. No, dude, it has almost 1,000. Araki, or not Araki. That's right here. But Oda. Just stop, Oda. Just stop. Your anime didn't need to be that long, man. Like, it did not need to be like. It's at the time of the making of this video. It's about episode 936, 4. I don't even know, but it's really far into it. Like, dude, this anime needs to end pronto. Like, come on. Death Note fans are chill. JoJo fans, they're slightly annoying. They're chill, but like as soon as you say something about JoJo and how kind of sus it is, that's when you've made an enemy. Like JoJo's not even gay, bro. Like, what are you talking about? Wait, where are the gay protagonists? Let's see. Jotaro's not gay. Josuke is very gay. Like, nothing wrong with being gay, of course. But I'm just saying, bro. It's kind of sus. You feel me? Like, like these two, like this man right here. He's not gay, but like I don't know. He just presents himself a little weirdly, and not just Jono. Josuke. Di- Wait, are you gonna argue with me? This is the first image that pops up when you search up his name. It's kind of cool. It's kind of look cool, to be honest. What the fuck? What? No, we're not gonna become one of those videos. No, 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 no. No. Okay, so let's arrange this up a little bit. Actually, yeah. Okay, so out of all these, okay, this goes here. I guess they're not really that annoying. I don't know what I was thinking. Chillest out of all of these, Yusuke. Then, actually, no. Fist of the North Star has to be the chillest, and then this. Well, uh, yeah, yo, yeah, yo, monotomo ichigai da ni. There we go. So basically, is there any way like, okay. Sorry for the this and this. I know it's kind of a visually disturbing, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So I aligned it so that way, the closer it is to the right, the more annoying they are. You feel me? Oh no, should I do it to the left? I think that's a better idea. Hmm. The more annoying they are. There we go. The more annoying they get. Mm. Yeah, okay, there we go. Closer to the left makes basically, yeah, closer to the left, more snowflakey, you know? Yeah. Anyways, this is just being a boy. Kosher Senpai, Kosher for the gang, signing off. Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang. Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, Kosher gang, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Save and download. I can't believe I have to put this again. Okay, okay, okay. So let me just okay. Anime Snowflake tier roster. Add a description. Tier list of of animes comparing their fan bases. Running. Save. Really for the gang. You guys do have to make sure to like and subscribe, of course, before you leave. Should I download the image? Nah, I'm gonna edit this later. But yeah, it's been your boy Kosher Senpai signing off. Feel free to like and subscribe. You know, cause this channel doesn't even have a teacher. Really, it's kind of sick. So you guys do need a sub. You know, like the type you eat. Like this channel really is kind of hungry, so you need to give it a sub. But anyways, it's been your boy Kosher Senpai signing off. See you guys later. And capiche, 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 capiche.